Hello guys, so today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make these jalapeno bagels. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up before you go and please subscribe to my channel. In a medium bowl, you want to add in your warm water, your yeast, your salt, and your sugar, and you want to whisk this until it's combined. Then you want to add in your all-purpose flour and your cut up jalapenos, and you just want to mix this until it forms a dough. And if your dough isn't forming, you may need a little bit more warm water. So that's what I did, and just keep doing that until your dough forms. Make sure to not put too much water at one time so you don't have to add more flour. So just take your time with this process. Once your dough is formed, you want to add in your dried red peppers, and you just want to mix this throughout the dough thoroughly. Once you're finished making your dough, you want to let it sit for 10 minutes and then cut it into 6 even pieces. Now we're going to start on making the bagel shapes. I first made a round ball with the dough and then put a hole in the center with a butter knife to form the bagels. Once your bagels have formed, you want to cover this with a damp towel and let it sit in a warm spot for around 1.5 hours. Then you want to add your bagels to boiling water for around 15 to 30 seconds until they float. And I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but my bagels are not floating, and also they don't look very much different to the last clip that I showed you guys. That is because I'm pretty sure my yeast didn't work. So yeah, because they were supposed to be a lot puffier and bigger than this and float to the surface, and they didn't do either of those things. So unfortunately my yeast did not work, but the bagels still turned out really good. That's why I'm still sharing this recipe with you. This was just my own fault, but I'm just letting you guys know when you are making this recipe, your bagels are going to get bigger and puffier after the rising part, and they will float to the top once they go into the boiling water. And these are the finished bagels. Despite the yeast not working as it was supposed to, they still turned out really good. I will say they weren't spicy though, like I was expecting. They didn't taste spicy at all to me, but yeah, they were really delicious, and I definitely recommend you guys try out this recipe. If you do, let me know how you liked it in the comments, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up before you go. Also make sure to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. That is at Sweettoothmunchies. So yeah, that brings us to the end of today's video, and I'll see you guys next week with a new one. Bye guys.